All right, we're going to get started left to right here. We have two Elgato Keylight Airs, followed by the Stream Deck. We have a Barracuda HDD, 2 terabytes. We're going with the Arctic Cleaner for the thermal placed applicator, Yeti for the microphone, the Classic Edition. For the GPU, Asus Phoenix Auto Extreme GeForce GTX 1660 Super with 6 gigabytes. That'll be a great thingy. For the motherboard, we're running with the Asus TUF Gaming Z390 Plus. Has Wi-Fi built into it, so I didn't need to get a Wi-Fi adapter. For our SSD, we're running the VNAND SSD. It's an M.2 chip, which means it plugs right into the motherboard. 970 Evo, thermal paste wrist strap. For our fans, RGB LL120 by Corsair, followed by our CPU cooler, Corsair H100i RGB Platinum. That'll be going out the top for the exhaust. Followed by our 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. We're running 2 sticks of 16 for a total of 32 gigs on the Vengeance RGB Pro by, once again, Corsair. Oh, this will be great. Our CPU is going to be the unlocked 9th gen Intel Core i7. Unlocked, baby. Let's overclock. Power supply, CX650M. Woohoo! May upgrade to 750, 850. Next technologies. AverMedia webcam, anti-static mat. We're going with the Cooler Master white case with the 3D tempered glass design. Some cable management ties, toolkits, cable management. We got ourselves a build. Woo!
I thought I was Mr. Miyagi, but after 3 days, I'm still foggy. But that's okay, we did it anyway. Peace be with you in the morning and the evening when you fell 100 times in a row. You keep going because it's all about Hennessy and vibing, for we are vibing.
Okay, so the problem was this the CPU cooler right there and the RAM were touching, and I couldn't install the RAM without installing this, and I couldn't install that without installing RAM. So basically, I had to cut a notch. You see that? I had to cut a notch around both of the RAM slots for it to work. And we've run into our first blue screen of death.
We are vibing. Ooh, yeah. We are vibing. Vibing. We are vibing. We are vibing. Skirt, skirt, vibing. In the morning. skirt.